Hi, hello, welcome back to Sri's channel. In previous video, we have learnt about case and their classifications. Today, let us learn about a few more topics of nouns. Before we actually start into, I request you to subscribe my channel and press bell button. If any doubts, let me know through comment section. So let us start today's video. Possessive nouns. These nouns show possession or relationship that a thing belongs to a person or animal or a group of people or animals. Also between people. So they relate, they show possession. Possession means ownership. We usually add an apostrophe. So you can see the apostrophe symbol there with s to form these nouns. For instance, a men's ball. A men apostrophe s ball. So the ball belongs to a man. It shows the relationship between the thing and a person. Boys parents. Boys apostrophe parents. You might have got a doubt here. She said before apostrophe with s we usually add. Yeah, we usually add, and there are many rules why the difference between apostrophe s and only apostrophe to be used. So coming to the rule 1, apostrophe s is used with a noun in the singular. So if the noun remains to be singular, we use apostrophe s, like Amin's, Lata's, and etc. So Amin's book, Lata's bag. So bag belongs to Lata. Book belongs to Amin. So the second rule is apostrophe. So no s, only apostrophe is used after the plural form of a noun when the plural form ends in s. Here we need to understand, before example of possessive nouns, first example I said as Amin's ball, boys parents. There you can see there BOYS apostrophe, not S apostrophe S. So here is the detailed description for that. Apostrophe we add only when the plural form ends in S. We don't add S again. So the words which are already ending with yes, we should add only apostrophe. For instance, boys, birds, ladies, etc. These words already they have yes in their ending. So for such now words we should not add again yes. So we should just simply add apostrophe. Coming to the third one, apostrophe yes is used after the plural form of a noun when the plural form doesn't end in s. So this is quite opposite for the second example. If plural noun ends in s, we should add only apostrophe. If the plural noun doesn't end with s, for instance, men, it is plural. Woman, it is plural. Children, it's plural. So these plural nouns doesn't end with s. For such nouns we can add apostrophe s. Coming to the fourth rule, when a noun or a title consists of several words, the possessive sign is attached only to the last word. So suppose if our sentence has too many words, then for which noun should be given apostrophe s? For such things or such situations, we should add apostrophe for the last word. For instance, the king of Bhutan's visit. So king is one noun, Bhutan is one noun. So which is very last word. For that word we need to give possessive. So the king of Bhutan's visit. The Prime Minister of Mauritius speech. The fifth one, when two nouns are in opposition, the possessive is put to the later only. So here opposition means if the subject and object remains to be same, it is called opposition. If such cases, the possessive should be given for the later one only. For example, that is Tagore, the poet's house. So the Tagore is our subject and poet is our object. The Tagore is our subject and poet is our object. Both are the same. In such cases, we should give possessive apostrophe, that is apostrophe s, for later one. And coming to the sixth one, when two nouns are closely connected, possessive should be given to the later. If two nouns are closely connected to each other, like example, Kareem and Salim's bakery. Kareem and Salim's bakery. So the bakery belongs to both of them. Both of them having the partnership of one bakery. In such cases, we should give apostrophe s for the later noun. And for the next rule, each of the two or more connected nouns implying separate possessive must take the possessive sign. For example, this is quite opposite to sixth rule. If two of them have different possessions, for instance, sixth rule's example, Kareem and Salim both are having one bakery. But here, Raja Rao's novels are different from R.K. Narayan's. Raja Rao doesn't write like R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan doesn't write like Raja Rao. So both are having their own novels, so their own possessions. In such cases, apostrophe should be given for both. Coming to the eighth rule, apostrophe s should be used only with the names of living things, like the governor's bodyguard, the lion's mane. So for living things, we should use apostrophe s. It means that for non-living things, we should not use. Like the leg of the table, the cover of the book. Here, these book, table are non-living things. For them, we cannot say the table's leg or the book's cover. So for only living things, we should use apostrophe. For non-living things, we have to use of preposition. Coming to the next rule, but the possessive is used with the names of personified objects. So personified means personalize. So we can use apostrophe when it comes to personalized things or nouns. For instance, India's heroes. So the heroes of only India. Nature's law, at duty's call. In such cases, we can use apostrophe even though they are not living. Coming to the 10th rule, the possession is also used with the nouns denoting time, space or weight. And we can also use apostrophe if they denote time, space or weight. For instance, a day's match, a stone's throw, a pound's weight. When weight we talk about, or time we talk about, or space we talk about, we can use apostrophe s. So I hope you understood about possessive nouns. If any doubts, please let me know through comment section. Please subscribe my channel.